Yes, I'm starting to believe you the problem, yes. Cause why is all of these things that's popping up got you in it? I'm starting to think you the problem, sister. Who was telling Yaz to catch a flight? I don't know. I'm so glad I put my arguing days behind me. Ugh, just so ghetto. Oh my God, that just went all over me. I don't know, you're gonna have to ask Mama J who won her fight. I have no idea. I'm a little lamb that don't give a damn. Oh, that is so cute. Thank you. I ain't never seen that before. Is that new? Y'all popping it with the gifts tonight. Thank you so much. Who charging $5 to see what video? Hold on, what is going on? Let me tune into the comments real quick. I don't know. From what I heard though, correct me if I'm wrong, but she was trying to whoop the mama because the kid was trying to bully her kid. Them my kind of people. Like Nessa said the other night, them is our kind of people. Girl, what? Kiki scammed the bed on the bar crawfish. Sure did. She had a master plan, and then she had all of us dummies promoting it. Just dumb. Oh, she charging $5 to see the fight. Let me go pay her $5 so I can see the fight. All for a good cause. She said it's going to a new sink, period. Okay, ain't nothing wrong with it. She got a little hustle behind that muscle. Know that. Why was Kiki Caprice even a topic of discussion? Yes, you was having too much fun with this. Something like that shouldn't have been on live. Well, I think because I used to follow her, so like she films a lot of her day-to-day life, like, you know, her kids' basketball games, things that she got going on day-to-day or whatever. So I think like she just was doing what she normally do. She always films or goes live at her kids' events, and it just so happened to get cracking. What she was supposed to do? Worry about hitting the end button? I gotta make sure I'm not about to get stumped out. I don't care about this live button. I'm ready. I'm whooping from the shoulders. F this phone and everything else. I don't think B picture being exposed was really exposing, because them pictures B had already had up before. People just didn't remember that B used to have a picture up. That was old news. I don't want to waste $2.50. It don't even seem like the fight was long enough for $5. Hold on, I'll take that back. Is it enough footage for the $5? Who bought the tape? That's what I want to know. Kiki birthday overload. Who bought the tape in the comments? That's what I want to know. Kiki, they said you seen the fight, so you bought the tape? Oh, so y'all scamming. Y'all ain't even trying to pay that lady her $5. Noted. One person go get the tape and send it around. Wait till I go tell Mama J about this. Girl, they scamming off your tape. What? Okay, we done playing that game. We about to play a new game. What's your favorite clean top product? Or what's one product? No, what's one product that you wish people would never use again? That's a better question. What is one product that you wish people would never use again? Tidy bow, extra fluffy, and tidy bow. Extra fluffy, tidy bow. Floral panelin, really? Floral panelin do stink. It just has a really nice color. It carries with the color. Baby oil and powder. Hold on, is that supposed to be a jab? Is that supposed to be a jab? Wintergreen, eucalyptus ajax. Nobody uses that anymore, guys. When the last time you seen somebody say, we're gonna do a eucalyptus ajax overload? Nobody uses that anymore. Tidy bow. I got a list actually. No, just leave something for the baby. I'm crying. Y'all remember how that looked before I smoothed it out? We came a long way. It ain't perfect, but this is a good paste. Okay, cornstarchers, did y'all enjoy the live? For the cornstarchers that's in the building, I know y'all was interested in what we do over here. This is what we do. And I be over there listening to y'all crunch that cornstarch. That's how I get my fix. I don't eat it no more. But I love listening to other people eat it. Thank y'all for another sold out, showed out live. We had a good time. Y'all came in and did y'all biggest one too. This was amazing. Y'all truly always come in and show so much love. I'm so thankful for y'all. I already have 48 lemon cans for tomorrow. I'm on a run to try to find the new Pond Sol or the new Mr. Clean, because I want to do a combo with one or the other. But we definitely not doing blue tomorrow, because we definitely did blue today. That's enough blue for one day. And I guess I can try to start. Y'all want me to get into the color era? Like, do y'all want me to start tiptoeing in the color era with the color powders and the color what's her names and all that? They got two new Mr. Cleans out. One is ocean and one is watermelon. Please no. Yes. No. Yes. No. Maybe so. No. No. Okay, just keep it basic over here. Okay, noted. Dang. All right. We'll keep it basic. Well, I'm letting y'all know now, I got me some Sweetheart Syrup powder on the way, and we using that. Okay? We definitely about to see what the Sweetheart Syrup powder is hitting on. And I gotta get some powder from Mon. And I gotta get some powder from Clean by K. Cause that laundry sugar look like it's tea. Okay? So we're definitely gonna be trying out the powders that people are making. Nessa said don't call it, I didn't, I said color powder. Color, C-O-L-O-R, no E-D. So we definitely gonna see what the what's her names is hitting on. I do wanna run back the colorful live from last year that we did for Easter. I gotta come up with a good idea. Bree had a really good Easter idea last year. I might have to steal her idea because it was very much tea. If this 304 don't go live, I'm gonna have to run it bike. What color you got, Sammy? I got 8 colors.